look or sound familiar, right? If you guessed hurricanes, you are absolutely correct. Hi, my name is Stefan and this is my video. I'm a student of the University of the West Indies St. Augustine campus. I am currently reading a degree in environmental science and sustainable technology. So I happen to have a passion to study anything that affects the environment and later on humans. But enough about me. Let's go on a journey to learn more about hurricanes. So these days, a typical question may be what is a hurricane and what it has to do with climate change. To me, a hurricane is a large rotating storm in the atmosphere formed by basically two main components, one being warm oceans and the other being the Coriolis effect. To understand this, at first, when the warm air above the ocean rises high into the atmosphere, it makes contact with the Coriolis force, which is basically the direction of winds based on its location. So when these two entities meet, they start to spin and spin around a central low pressured area called the eye. Outside of the eye is the eye wall where clouds and high wind speeds reside. Further out is the rain bands, which are responsible for heavy rainfall in an hurricane. Funny enough, climate change, however, is the gradual change of the atmosphere of a specific area over an extended period of time, say 20 to 30 years. Now I'm wondering what these two phenomena have in common or how are they linked? To better understand this, I visited the review editor of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change 6th Assessment, Professor John Agard, to dive deeper into hurricanes and climate change. So we learned the definition of a hurricane and we learned the definition of climate change. Is there a linkage between those both? In your opinion, is there a linkage?
Yes, well, that is why from human activity, that is the greenhouse gases,
right? What other activities does human do that contribute to the heating of the earth?
Yeah, so it's heating up. So when the Industrial Revolution started, when fossil fuels started to be burnt, in engines and cars and all kinds of things like that to run factories and so forth. So the main energy supply was fossil fuels. Burning fossil fuels produces carbon dioxide.
Right, so we see that humans emit gases into the atmosphere. What has the government done to mitigate those activities?
Yes, so they did an inventory of all of the greenhouse gas emissions that they could get numbers for in the country. So this analysis of different measures that they proposed to take. And then they started to implement certain measures, like removing the subsidy on gasoline.
So we see at the end of this interview that in reality, humans are the link between hurricanes and climate change to the greenhouse effect. Whether it is cutting down of trees which release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, burning of fossil fuels, or rearing of cows that release methane. Now, the greenhouse effect starts off with sun rays that enter the Earth's atmosphere and bounces off the Earth to go back to the sun. But on the way out, the greenhouse gases present blocks the rays from exiting the Earth and therefore heating it over time. So, what we as humans can do about this? Well, we can carpool, which is basically multiple persons using one vehicle to save fuel, time, and energy. Also, having a small water supply around fires is advised to prevent the formation of wider forest fires. And last but not least, I could say that we should educate ourselves on climate change and hurricanes through various internet mediums like this to better understand the problems of the world and what we can do to solve them as one. And hence we can educate others when we retain this information. So my message to you is to change your behavior and hence change the world.